get it. You already know it's your boy Fee. I'm gonna need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Make it a transfer, most definitely. You already know. We're coming back with these hats, you know. I told you $250 before. Man, you can start a business with $50. Ain't gonna get you no product, but maybe one or two. But you model it yourself and do your thing. You'll be surprised. Start a brand, you know what I'm saying? Start a website, sell it from Shopify, Spotify, whatever it is. You just tap in. But like I said, it's your boy Fee. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make it a transfer. Official YouTube channel where we make dope brands look even doper with hats like this, you know. Show you some more, you know. We've been working on. This is the original logo, you know, not necessarily the colorway, but what we started with, you know. Part of UACYE Einstein collection, whatever it is, we make a collection out of everything. All truckers, you know, the full cotton trucker with that laid custom academy on there. It's like, you know, show you how to do that, you know, with an iron. Like I told you before, you can do it with an iron, you can do it with some logos, you can put the logos on anything, shirts, jackets, jackets, whatever, you know. But it just takes $50 to really start up your business. To me, that's how I feel. Like, man, you can go buy a shirt and just put anything on the front of it, and if 100 people like it, that starts your business right there. So, like I said, man, tune in, like, subscribe, follow. You know I took a long time to do another video. It's just because I wasn't used to doing nothing on YouTube like that. So like I said, I'm gonna fly back to Chicago, birthday coming up, you know, watch this video. If you're a Cancer, you know, you're a summer baby, you know, drop a like, you know, drop some comments underneath it, you know, tell me what you think, tell me if this is informative to you. If you want to learn, you can hit me up for one-on-one sessions, and I, you know, starting at $75, I get on there and just show you everything I know about designing, you know. First session, $75, every other session, $50 after that. You know, we can do it right over the phone, Zoom, or if you got an iPhone or whatever, we'll figure a way to get there. You know, like I said, show you how to turn $50. Really, you ain't turning $50. So you got to turn $5 into $30 easily. Multiply that $50, whatever, it depends on what you put into your hats. And once you figure that out, you will know. But like I said, man, it's your boy Fee. You see that? I already know, man. I came out on some bummy. I wanted to present this outside, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, it's nice outside. I ain't want to be cooped up in that studio. You know, everything needs to look different. They used to seeing all the same stuff, so I came out here to do this out here. You know, but this is a nice hat, man. Detailed, I even do a little smiley face. If you catch one of these and you order one and you got this smiley face on it, I ain't do too many of these, so I think I'm only putting like 50 smiley faces on the back of these, you know what I'm saying? It's for, you know, a little extra, but, you know, so like I said, and then, this is smiley face on this. This is a top seller, BDCC, Bank Boy Creative Company, you know what I'm saying? You can go follow that. Follow my artist too, you know, follow my whole team. Follow my artist on his, he's doing his vlog, dropping his vlog, his name, Corn Boss Up. His channel is Corn Boss Up Live. Follow him, check out his music, go follow his music page. You know, they clipped him at so many, up to 5,000 subs. You know, do music, you know what I'm saying? He's doing his vlog thing, having his fun, finna bring out more music. But like I said, shout out gang, shout out staff, shout out squad, shout out my homie C-Star for you, my brother. Shout out Slow Folks, shout out everybody rocking, shout out Torch over there doing that. You already know. Need your credit did, fixed, brought back to life. Holla at my brother Torch, man. UACYE representative, bro. You already know. It's us. Shout out BMT. Shout out everybody working with us. You already know. But like I said, what you gonna say about that, man? Great, you know, great. It's the easiest thing to sell is a hat, man. Girls like hats, kids like hats, old people like hats, mamas like hats, daddies like hats. Everybody like them, so it's like you put your brand on it. If you got a dope brand, they're gonna what you call it? Who is this? Let's get it though. Like I said, you already know, like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Fee, UACYE representative, you know. Go follow that page, make it a transfer. Go follow that feed page. Go follow my feed third man. Need help starting something, let me know. I make a lot of stuff. Music. I help with lifestyles. I help with whatever you need. I got a plug on whatever, you know. So, further ado, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me, you know what I'm saying? You can even drop like the name of your brand. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give a logo away. I'm gonna give a hat logo away. Drop the name of your brand in the comment. No doubt. I'm gonna choose somebody out of these comments, help this video, but you have to share, like, subscribe, share this video, and tell me what you think about how I'm telling you how you can make a brand with just $50. You know, because if I gotta make it for you, I might charge you $50 for one. But, you know, you go get your own merchandise and do it. But like I said, I'm gonna make it. That's what I'm gonna do. One lucky person gonna get a logo that goes on whatever you want it to go on. But it's I call them hat logos because it's either gonna be like in a badge form. It's probably gonna be like a circle logo. If you need that, no matter if you're a female or a male, get at me for that. Like I said, it's your boy Fee. Like, comment, and subscribe. You already know this part 2. I'm gonna do something else though. I ain't gonna talk about hats next time. But like I said, you can start a trucker hat business. Go back and watch that video. You know, that did good for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, because I need more subscribers to share these videos. I'm just being honest with you. I need you to share these videos. I wasn't gonna go make something, but y'all already seen me make something before, and I'm, you know, I can just show you the merch now. You know, show you this merch. They got a little, what you call it, on the top of it. Somebody been touching that with some dirty hands. But, you know, on my way back to the rack, Chicago, tuned in to my city. Like I said, shout out gang, shout out staff. It's hot as shit out here. But I'm still out here to jump this plane. Fuck with me. You know, like, comment, and subscribe. Drop some music on the front and the back of this boy. We Gucci. You already feel me. Let's get it. That's what it is. Aha! Hey, and I'm dropping an EP. So if you fuck with me, get that. But it's all gonna be associated with each other. You see it, you gotta download it. And I'm also trying to get my watch time up. So when me trying to get my watch time up, man, I need y'all to watch the whole video. Even if you walk away from it. But it's informative, so why walk away from it when I'm giving you game? Where you ain't gotta go punch a clock every single day, where you can go get you a product and sell it. And if it's nice, people will buy it. People like nice stuff. They like to buy stuff that stands out different. I just proved it, and I will keep proving it. It's your boy Fee. Like, comment, and subscribe. I did this outside because it's summertime. I'm a summer baby. I'm a Cancer. June 28th. Check in with me. Aha.